Small ways to make a difference, even on ordinary days. Hello, and welcome. Today, I want to talk about something that has brought me so much meaning over the years. The simple and beautiful ways we can make a difference in the lives of others, even when life feels heavy or uncertain. Sometimes when the world feels chaotic, we can forget about that our presence, just the act of showing up, is a gift. We may think that only big actions matter, but the truth is that small acts of kindness and service have lasting impact. I'd like to share something very personal with you. My time as a foster grandparent through the Senior Corps. For 4 years, I volunteered 3 times a week in a kindergarten classroom. I helped children who were struggling with reading and writing. Sometimes I had the joy of reading to the whole class while the teacher worked with the small groups. But one of the things I loved most was helping the children relax after lunch with simple mind breaks, slow breathing, gentle stretches, and calm reminders to enjoy the moment. The teacher once told me she noticed how much more focused and ready for the next lesson the children were after those few minutes of calm. That was a quiet kind of magic. Not loud, not dramatic, but meaningful. That experience taught me something important. You don't have to create something big to change a life. You just have to be present and offer what you have. Your time, your attention, your calm presence, your caring heart. These things matter. And if you're wondering how to start, here are a few gentle ideas you can explore. Volunteer with local schools or tutoring programs. Help a child read, write, or just feel seen. Offer to write encouraging notes to neighbors, friends, or community members who might need a kind word. Check on someone who lives alone. A quick call, a short visit, or even a thoughtful message can brighten a day. Look for opportunities at community centers, food banks, or animal shelters. There are ways to serve that fit every schedule and personality. And if you're not sure where to look, try asking ChatGPT or searching online for volunteer opportunities near me. You can discover organizations you didn't even know existed. The point isn't to do everything. The point is to choose one small thing that feels manageable for you, even if it's only once a week. Meaning isn't measured in volume, but in intention and consistency. You may never know the full impact of your kindness, but that doesn't make it any less powerful. A smile, a calm presence, a moment of time. These are gifts that ripple far beyond what we see. Thank you for being here, and thank you for caring. We'll keep finding gentle ways to lift each other up, one step at a time.